Yeah.
There's nothing to hide behind.
That's true. And when they shoot the panels, it sounds really loud.
Yeah. It sounds like it's right next to
Yeah.
it.
Honestly, it's
And this field's way compact.
that's true. It's actually safer to get hit on your mask because it's like well protected.
Yeah, yeah.
So
yeah.
don't be afraid to put your face out.
Never.
Except you put your face is too far out. Man, Marcio, your gun actually sounds beast, dude.
Titman's, bro. I'm telling you.
Okay, how do you guys like it? Right?
He's going right. I'm going straight up.
All right, you guys?
A couple people go mid.
Left?
Yeah,
So 2 people go mid, 2 people go left.
Okay,
Right,
I'll go left.
Alright.
All right. If you-
Hey!
Go, go, go! Wait. One on far left, one far right. You see him?
Yep.
How's the left?
Move up, I'll hold you down.
One left. One in truck, middle. Oh, out, out. Woo. I'm out. He's hit, let him out.
How many are left?
There's just one.
Okay, can't talk.
She's out, let her out. That's good, that's good. You held it down, you held it down.
Trying to get that one on the right.
Yeah,
He's hit.
that's it. That's it. That's the last one. He's a. Game! Game, game, game! Good game, good game. Man, this guy held it down. Good job, man.
I thought Dustin was gonna steer me. I thought Dustin
Goodness
was gonna shoot me.
gracious.
I ran up behind Dustin over here. I go, "Big
Is
thing,
this
you got
blinking?
the-
I shot you a lot of times.
Thank you,
Grab
thank you.
my barrel.
Hey, Josh, the killer, huh?
Ricochet off my head too. I was
Oh
like,
my goodness.
Your last one stand.
Woo.
what happened?
I got you on 120.
Where
Just
though?
started getting
Like,
foggy.
as
I'm
far
like,
as
hey,
going,
man. Just throw whatever you could. Did you get him or? I think I got.
I think your air's low, Josh. Josh, I think your air's sounding a little funny.
Well, it seems like the balls aren't dropping.
Yeah, that's
So
a
if I
shaking
shake
thing.
it a little bit,
Okay.
Yeah, that's not a force feed. That's a you gotta shake it every once in a
we'll
while.
call it
It's a, that's a little force.
What's that?
Force?
behind you.
Yeah.
That was that.
Shotgun, shotgun.
Oh, you thought.
Woo! Woo!
I had you like 6 times, and every single time my bullet hurt the way. Like there was like 3 separate
Those are
times
the times I almost got hit by
where
you.
you were looking at
No,
Donald,
no,
and I saw the bullet like just like go by your arm. And I know
Oh.
Shoots the ground.
he said it. He said it. He's like, yo, if someone bang bang, I might shoot you.
I
I got shoot.